Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome all of you in today's class. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Are you all studying? Watching videos regularly? Yes, very good. Children, which day is today? Today is Friday. So, what do we have on Friday? Yes, Friday we have dictation test, right? So, now today we'll have dictation test of subject EVS 2 and lesson number 20 our community life. Children, 20 words were given to you. I hope you all must have prepared those words. Yes? So are you all ready with your notebook, pencil and eraser? Shall I start? Or you want me to wait for just 2 minutes? Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Come on, be quick. Are you all ready? Come on, first of all, you have to write your name, standard, division, and then write C on the screen and write subject EVS2 dictation test lesson number 20 our community life, and write down the numbers 1 to 20. Yes, once again I'll repeat. Write down your name, standard, division, your roll number, then subject. See on the screen now, subject as EVS2 dictation test lesson number 20 our community life. I hope you all are ready now. Shall I start? Yes, first letter should not be written capital, okay? Because we don't write first letter as capital A while taking dictation. Fine? Come on, first word. Community. I will repeat each word 3 times. Community. Community. Next, interdependent. 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 Third word, companions. 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 Fourth, secure. 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 Fifth, cooperation. 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 Sixth word is production. 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 Seventh, facilities. 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 Eighth word, process. 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 Ninth is satisfy. Ninth word is satisfy. Satisfy. 10th, contribute. 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 Next, certain, certain, certain. 12th is restrictions, restrictions, restrictions. Discipline, discipline. Discipline. Imbibe, imbibe, imbibe. Participation. 15th word is participation. Participation. 16th is determination. 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 17th is passion. 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 18th is follow. 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 19th is necessary. 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 And the last word is qualities. 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 Now I will repeat all the words one more time. Just check. First, community. Community. Second, interdependent. Interdependent. Third, companions. Companions. Fourth, secure. Secure. Fifth, cooperation. Cooperation. Sixth, production. Production. Seventh, facilities. Facilities. Eighth is process. Process. Ninth is satisfy. Satisfy. 10th is contribute. Contribute. 11th, certain. Certain. 12th, restrictions. Restrictions. 13th, discipline. Discipline. 14th is imbibe. Imbibe. 15th is participation. participation. 16th word, determination. Determination. 17th is passion. Passion. 18th, follow. Follow. 19th, necessary. Necessary. And the last 20th word is qualities. Qualities. Yes, now it's time for correction. Okay. Now you have to correct your own dictation test. So be honest, children. Okay. Yes. Are you all ready? Come on, I will tell you the spelling. Correct spelling. You all just start correcting. COMMUNITY, community. COMMUNITY, community. If the word is right, put a tick. If the word is wrong, put a cross mark. Children, be honest. Second word is interdependent. Interdependent, INTERDEPENDENT. 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 Next is companions. 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 Fourth is secure. 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 Fifth is cooperation. 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 Next word is sixth word, that is production. 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 Next is facilities. Seventh word is facilities. 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 Eighth is process. 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 Ninth word is satisfy. 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 10th is contribute. 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 11th word is certain. 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 12th, restrictions. 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 13th is discipline. 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 15th is imbibe. 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 IMBIBE, imbibe. 15th is participation. PARTICIPATION, participation. PARTICIPATION, participation. Yeah, next word. 16th is determination. DETERMINATION, determination. DETERMINATION, determination. 17th is passion. PASSION, passion. PASSION, passion. 18th is follow. FOLLOW, follow. FOLLOW, follow. 19th is necessary. NECESSARY, necessary. NECESSARY, necessary. And the last word is qualities. QUALITIES, qualities. QUALITIES, qualities. Okay. Now count your marks and write down out of 20. And be ready to get remark. Yes. The children, those who are getting 20 out of 20 will be getting 5 stars and remark as excellent. The children, those who are getting 20 out of 20 will be getting 5 stars and remark as excellent. Very good children, keep it up. The children, those who are getting 19 out of 20 will be getting 4 stars and remark as very good. Okay? The children, those who are getting 18 out of 20 will be getting 3 stars and remark as good. But the children, those who are getting less than 7 marks, they'll be getting the remark as work hard. They have to work hard because they have not prepared well for the test. That is why they are getting less marks. Children, you must be knowing the well-known proverb, that is, practice makes man perfect. No? So you need to practice well beforehand. Yes? So that you will also get good marks. Fine? So children, be careful now onwards. Be prepared well before the dictation test so that everybody will get good marks. Yes? So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.